Oh, so this is your new house? Yes?
I don't have a doll.
No problem.
Now we are going to do the third activity. So this is a house. So I don't know. It has steps. See?
It is a sustainable home. Green warrior.
Now we'll open this. So let's see what we get inside. Egg sticker.
So this is all we get.
There's something there. There is something there.
What?
I don't know.
What is it?
First you have to see it. Nothing. I
Oh.
made you a food. Do. Have you seen Mask Man? Mask. This is chocolate. Pika.
So in the box we get some walls, some support pillars and some staircase support, and then rainwater harvesting through,
Rainwater.
Nest coins,
Radish carrot.
course stand. You got so many different things, no?
Daddy, it also has radish and carrot. So big space. Windows.
Okay. So we will make this. We got solar panel with wires. This is solar panel. So this is a build a house from scratch. Learn about solar energy, rainwater harvesting and terrace gardening. Okay. So we will make our own house. So we will follow instruction and we will do like this. We will make side walls, then we will make like this, then this, then this. So let's start. First we will make this. Can you use this properly? Just check. Put it here.
Here.
Can you press it? Press little. It is very soft, so we can press it like this.
Now I will do.
Okay. Press. Thumb.
I don't have so much time.
No problem.
I'm
No
slow.
problem.
One wall. Two walls.
Okay. Press just a little bit. I will do rest. Okay. So we have created this 2 walls. Now we will make another 2 walls like this. Now we have created this wall also. This wall also.
Do it like this.
Now we will create another part. Okay.
Excuse me, Daddy. Just do it.
Like this.
It's like this.
No.
It's like this. Oh no. I don't know
This
how.
one is also ready now.
It looks like this.
Then we have to do like this.
How?
Okay.
How?
So this will be
It looks very small.
house.
Rama re Rama, ekto bole charo chendara. I wish it could be just like how I made. It's a small house for the small people. Papa, if there was a stair, then we could go till the window and come down. Right? I have 2.
You can do it from another side.
Okay.
Now we will follow instruction. So our house is ready like this. Through the projection of the side walls, fit the roof. We have to fix the roof. So we will make this ceiling. Oh, our little home is ready.
It is not ready.
But still we have so many things to do.
Exactly.
So we'll put all vegetables in this. So this is completely ready.
It is not ready.
Now we have to do like this. This thing we have to do like this. See, Manan. Roll the green shorts and feed them in the planters as plants. Place them where you want.
Now
So we will use this too and we will use this too. Okay? We will use this.
where is the
We will remove this.
Papa,
Like
these
this.
looks like my power on things, power off things. Power on ring. Power off ring. Power on ring. This is my green lantern ring. Yes. Papa, see. Green Lantern ring. Ah!
See, this plant is ready.
This plant is ready. What is that
See?
plant?
See, we will do the same thing with this another one.
My Green Lantern ring.
Where is your green lantern ring?
Green Lantern ring.
Oh my god.
You.
Okay, we will use your green lantern ring.
I just shoot.
So our two plants are ready.
And put it down, Ganda.
We have vegetables and two plants. Okay. Assembling the solar panel. Okay.
Panaggling. Assembling or panaggling.
We have to put this solar panel to here. We have to first take stickers, then we will put solar panel here, and this light, LED light, like this,
For a lamp.
like a lamp. Okay, we'll stick solar panel like this. We'll put this part from here, so it will be like lamp. This will be like this.
Hatke. It's always hatke.
We will use this plant and these vegetables later. And then we'll put first filter, place a mesh and add pebbles.
I'm coming to rescue you. Ow. I rescue it.
We have to make
Sure.
like this. First filter is pebbles, then second one is coarse sand, then last one is water collector. Okay, so this one will be last, this will be middle, and this is first. So we have done this. We will use this here. See, this will be like this, and then this water collector.
There's a water filter. Water
These
next.
two. Water
next.
will automatically go inside. So now this is our home, like this, and this is a water collector. If you check here, okay, solar panel. This is solar panel. Then
Solar
all
panel.
water will go from here to here. Okay, and we will put our vegetables on the top. Put it like here. Okay, then we have to make this
Ladder.
assembling the staircase. Okay, so we will
Ladder.
use, yes. Okay, done. Now we have to make ladders here. Okay, stairs here. Come, first we will do
Take
this.
that. No lid.
We will do like this. Okay. Done?
Or you can put your plants over here.
Yes, you can put there.
How will the man get in water then? I can't.
You can go from here.
Dun. Let's see how it looks when we're in water.
Okay, good. Let's check our house.
It looks like a rainbow.
Oh, so this is your new house? Yes?
I don't have a doll.
No problem.
videos of ourselves, then subscribe. Bye guys.